Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to download Kick app on a device. So Kick app is also a live streaming app. So it is a live streaming platforms for where creators kick with their own communities. It is especially popular with streamers for its 95 out of 5 splits for content creators. So to explore these features you need to download this app on a device. To know how to download, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to visit your app store, or if you're an Android user you can simply visit your Play Store and download the respective app. As I am an iOS user, I would like to visit my app store, and there you can see the various options below. From all of the above we need to click on the option search which is at the very bottom right, and after that you have to search the respective app in which you are in need of, and I'm in need of is Kick app. Kick भनेपछि हान्ने किक भन्नलाई डिफेन्डिङ वाला किक आउनु पर्छ हैन. Okay, now you can see the app Kick live streaming which is highlighted in very big green, and to get this app you need to verify yourself and you need to click on the option get, and after that you have to simply verify yourself by double click. So now your app have been verified and within a few seconds your app will be installed on a device, and from that you can explore these streaming features on this app on a device. So within a few seconds your app will be downloaded and you need to simply open your app and start streaming. And that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.